Hi viewers, welcome to our channel MA EduTech, where learning quantitative aptitude becomes simple, structured and effective for every aspiring learner. In today's video, we will be discussing percentages. We will cover different types of percentage models and each explained step by step with a clear example. These are the topics which we are going to cover in today's video. Let's go through these models one by one and learn how to solve them effectively. The first topic is finding percentage of a number. What is 25% of 640? This is the basic question for in percentages topic. They asked what is 25% of 640. See, we need to write 25% as 25 by 100 into 640. Get 25 ones, 25 fours, 4 ones, 4 160s. So the answer is 160. This is the basic model in percentages topic. Next, second topic is percentage comparison. Here 50 is what percent of 200. We need to find the percentage value of 50 in the value of 200. So we need to take 50 as numerator and denominator as 200. We need to get the value in percentages, so into 100, 100 ones, 100 twos, 2 ones, 225. The answer will be 25%. Next question in topic is increase in value. See here a number 400 is increased by 15%. What is the number? Here they mentioned number 400 is increased by 15%. So what will be the new number? See, here number is 400 and it has been increased by 15%. 100 ones, 100 fours. 400 plus 60 is equal to 460. It is the normal way which we are going to do. Same way, another way is there. Let's assume 100% the original value of the number is 400 and it has been increased by 15%. So 15%, we don't know the new number, so just cross multiply. 100 ones, 100 fours, 460. So you can use any of the way. Next topic is decrease in value. Like same as increase in value, here we need to find out decrease in value. Decrease 800 by 20%. What will be the new number? So here same 800. Here mention decrease, so we need to mention minus sign. 20%. The value is 800. 100 ones, 100 eights. 800 minus 160. 640 is the answer. Same way we can do 100%. 100% is 800 and it has been decreased by 20% means 80% is question mark. Just cross multiply 80 into 800 by 100. 100 ones, 100 eights, 640. Okay. Next topic is percentage increase. See, the price increases from 200 to 240. What is the percentage increase value? We need to check. First, initial value is equal to 200. Final value equal to 240. So for percentage increase, formula is final value minus initial value by initial into 100. So final value is 240 minus initial value is 200 by 200 into 100. 100 ones, 100 twos. 40 by 2 is equal to 20%. The answer is 20%. Same shortcut trick. See, we need to mention 100%. The initial value is 200. We don't know the percentage change, but the number we know is 240. So just cross multiply 240 into 100 by 200. 100 ones, 100 twos, 2 ones, 120. See here, increased value is 120%. So it is 20% increase. Okay, and the next one is finding original value in case of increase case. See, a number becomes 550 after 10% of increase. See here we don't know the original number. We need to find out original number. Let's assume original number as x. Okay, and the number becomes 550 when it increased value of 10%. So x plus it has increased with 10%, right, is equal to the value is 550. So just calculate this. 10x plus x by 10 equal to 550. 11x equal to, just cross multiply here, 550 into 10. 11 ones, 1150. X value equal to 500. The original value is 500. So here our shortcut trick. We don't know the original number value, so 100% is question mark. After increase of 10% means 110% is number becomes 550. So just cross multiply 550 into 100 by 110. 110 ones, 110 fives. So original number is 500. Next, finding original value in case of decreased case. In last question we checked with increased case, now with decreased case. Same way, we don't, number becomes 300 after 25% decrease. And what is the original number? So let's assume original number as x minus, because it has been decreased now, so we are using minus negative sign. 25% decrease, 25% of x, it became 300. So just calculate 25 ones, 25 fours. X minus x by 4 equal to 300. 4x minus x by 4 equal to 300. 3x equal to, just transfer here, 300 into 4. 3 ones, 300s. X equal to 400. The original number is 400. Same our shortcut trick. Same 100 without, we don't know the position number, so 100% question mark. Like after decrease, like 25% decrease, no, so 100 minus 25 is 75%, it became 300. Just cross multiply 300 into 100 by 75. 75 ones, 75 fours, 400. Okay, you can choose any of the method. Next one, marks per percentage. A student scores 360 out of 450. What is this percentage? We know the basic formula, like percentage equal to secured marks by total marks into 100. So it is secured 360 by 450 into 100. 94, 95, 5 ones, 520, 4 into 20, 80%. The answer will be 80%. Like our shortcut trick, same way. Here we know the total score, 100% is, total marks is 450. But we don't know the percentage. He secured 360, no? So just keep it 360 and cross multiply 360 into 100 by 450. Is equal to 80%. Okay. Next topic is fractional percentage. This is also one of the basic topic in percentages. What is 12.5% of 800? See, 12.5 means 12.5 percentage of 800. 100 ones, 100 eights. 12.5 into 8 is 100. The answer will be 100. Or else we can do it as, we can convert 12.5% in fractional method. Like 12.5 means 12.5 by 100. It is just removing decimal and adding 0 in denominator. 125 ones, 125 eights. The fractional format of 12.5% is 1 by 8, and now 1 by 8 into 800. 8 ones is 800. Okay. And next one, population increase topic. Population of a town is 40,000. It increases by 5%. We need to find out new population. Same way with the number value, like in before questions we got that the original value is original number is the some value and it has been increased by some percent. What will be the new value? The same way, population of the town is 40%, increased by 5%. What is new population? So population of the town is 40,000 plus it increased by 5%. 5 by 100 of 40,000. Okay, 100 one. Okay, 40,000 plus 5 fours are 22,000 is equal to 42,000. The new population is 42,000. Same our shortcut trick. Another way, here 100% is 40,000. We know that increases by 5%. It means 105% we need to calculate. So cross multiply 105 into 40,000 by 100. Just cancel 105 into 40,000, 42,000. Okay. The next topic is finding number from percentage. See, here 30% of a number is 270. What is the new number? See, here 30% means we need to write it as 30 by 100 of a number. We need to find out the number. So let us assume that number as x is equal to 270. So 30x equal to 270 into 100. 31s, 39s. X equal to 900. The value will be 900. Our way, another way. We don't know the number value, so 100% is question mark, but we know the value of 30% is 270. So just cross multiply 100 into 270 by 30. 31s, 39s, 900. So answer will be 900. Next topic is discount. Here they mention market price as 1000 and discount value mentioned as D is 20%. What is selling price? Selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Discount means we are decreasing the value with market price, no? So we are using negative sign, minus. So how can we get the discount value? Discount value equal to discount percentage of market price. So discount percentage is 20 by 100 of 1000. 100 once 100. We got the discount value as 200. So selling price is equal to market price is 1000 minus 200 is equal to 800. Selling price is 800. So another way, second way. So we know the market price. It means 100% value. We know it as 1000. Discount is 20% means we are decreasing the value. So 100 minus 20 equal to 80%. We don't know. So just cross multiply 100 ones, 100 tens. 800 is the answer. Okay, next, profit. See, we have here the cost price is 500 and gain is 10%. What will be the selling price? Gain means which we got increase of cost price. When we sell any product with increasing of cost price, then only we will get the gain percentage, no? So it is an increasing of cost price. So cost price noted as CP, value is 500 and gain percentage is 10%. What is selling price? See here gain percentage means which we are selling, like going selling price, it will be the increasing, right? So we are using plus sign. Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain value. Same way gain value, how can we get is gain percentage of cost price. 100 ones, 100 price. So gain value is 50. Substitute in the value. Selling price is equal to cost price 500 plus gain value is 50. It is 550. Answer will be 550. So another way. So we know that 100% cost price is 500 and the gain percentage means increasing the value, right? So 110% is question mark. Just cross multiply 110 into 500 by 100, 100 ones, 100 fives. Answer will be 550. Okay. Next topic is percentage of time. 30 minutes is what percent of 2 hours? So we need to find out 30 in is what percent of in 2 hours. So just convert 2 hours in minutes. 2 hours equal to 2 into 60 equal to 120 minutes. So 30 is what percent of 2 hours means 30 by 120 into 100. 31, 34, 4 ones, 425 is equal to 25%. The answer will be 25%. Class percentage. Here 60% of students are boys. If boys value is 30, what are total students? We don't know the total students count. Let's assume total students count as X. And total students means boys plus girls. We know that they mentioned 60% of students are boys. It means remaining are 40% are girls. Okay. 60% value we already know that boys equal 30 plus we don't know the girls value, so 40 percentage of total students are girls, so total students value we assume it as X, so we just mention it as X is equal to total students, like 60% of boys plus 40% of girls equal to total students. So just calculate this. 2 2s, 2 5s. 30 plus 2 by 5 of x equal to x. 150 plus 2x equal to 5x. 5x 3x equal to 150. So x equal to 50. It means total students is 50. So same our approach. Another way. So we don't know the total students value, so 100% is question mark, but we know 60% is 30, so cross multiply 30 into 100 by 60. 30 ones, 32s, 2 ones, 250, so answer will be 50. Okay. Pass fail percentage. Our next topic is pass fail percentage. So here 40% marks are needed to pass. Student scores 180 and fails by 220. What are total marks? Here also we don't know the total marks, so just assume total marks as X. We know that 40% marks needed to pass. So 40% marks we needed to pass. Student scores 180 and fails by 20. It means student got 180 marks but he fails by 20 marks. It means 40, like pass marks is 200, 180 plus 20, right? 200. Like if you got 20 marks, you would have passed, right? 180 plus 20 is 200. So we know 40% of x equal to 200. Like 40% of marks, what it means 200. So total marks x equal to 40% pass marks plus 60% of total marks. We do know that 40% of marks is 200 plus 60% of marks. Here also same way we need to calculate 2 3s 2 5s. X equal to 200 plus 3x by 5. 5x equal to 1000 plus 3x. 2x equal to 1000 and x value equal to 500. It means total marks equal to 500. Same our way. So here we know that 40% of marks is 200 and we need to find out total marks like 100% marks. Same, cross multiply 100 into 200 by 40. 41s, 45s. Total marks is 500. Successful percentage change. Here a number increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. Net changes. Here one formula is there for percentage increase. It is x plus y plus xy by 100. Here first a number increased by 20%. Increase means it will be indicated with plus sign. So 20 plus y, and then decreased by 20%. Decrease means it is negative sign minus 20 plus x value is 20 and y value will be minus 20 by 100. It's plus into 20 plus into minus minus 20 plus into minus 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 400 by 100. Get 20 cancel, 100 ones 100 fours. It is equal to minus 4%. Minus indicates decrease, so answer will be 4% decrease. Okay, if you have any doubts on the discussed percentage models, please comment. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel MA EduTech. Thank you.